Hello guys, in this video we are gonna talk about how to do the airplane mode on Monopoly Go. So basically it's just this simple. So you'll open your Monopoly Go basically right here, set your multiplier to the max basically, and then enable airplane mode once you have done that. So it's already on for me, so it's not gonna work. So once you have done that, you'll just turn on your airplane mode basically, and it's gonna off your Wi-Fi, and then you'll have to roll, of course. So if you like where you landed basically, and if you don't, just continue. So if you have landed in somewhere you don't want, just continue again. So if you land in somewhere you want to land, this is the part where it gets interesting. So the first thing you'll have to do basically is just, so it's just like this, like this. So when you have landed right there, you will have to go exit the game basically, hold the icon of your actual Monopoly Go, reinstall the game. First, of course, uninstall the game, reinstall the game after, and then Monopoly Go, and then log into your Facebook or your Apple ID basically, and then you should be back where you started to perform the trick, and then there you go. You'll be on your step two, and then basically you're done. You'll get 1000x from there, and you'll be okay.